In this WordPress tutorial, I'll show you how to set word count for WordPress posts. If you are running a blog website where you need to accept content from other writers and you need to set a standard word count for your website, then this video is for you. Hello guys, this is Sadiq here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. To set a minimum word count for your website, you need to install a plugin. So to do that, I go to the back end of my website, then I go over to plugins, click on add new. Under search plugins, I search for PublishPress checklist. And this is the plugin I'm going to install, PublishPress checklist by PublishPress. I click on install now. It is installed. I activate. After activating, you see checklist in here. Just hover on it, then you click on checklist. In here under tags, these are the various checklists you can perform. You can perform number of characters in title, number of words in content, number of categories, number of tags, and many more. But for this tutorial, we are going to look at number of words in content. Under this column, you have 3 options under each of the tags. So for number of words in content, we have disabled, recommended, and required. If I choose recommended, it means that I'm recommending that my writer should write some particular number of words for their post. But if I choose required, it means that it's a requirement to come out with some number of words that I will specify under options. And that is what I want to do. Under this column, you can set who can ignore this particular task by clicking in here. So in here, I decide to choose who can ignore this particular task. So if I choose author, the author can write whatever number of words for his or her content. But I don't want to do that. Under options, I can set the minimum number of words as well as the maximum number of words. So for minimum, I make it 600. And maximum, I make it 3000. Then I scroll down and click on save changes. Now it's time to test it out, so I go over to post, I click on add new. I give my post a title. Then in here, I go ahead and enter my content. Now if I go to publish, I won't be able to publish it because I need to complete these tags before I will be able to publish my work. And I will need 600, and I will need between 600 and 300 words in my content before I can publish this. So I want to add more to my content. Let's see if we can go ahead and publish. I've added more content, and now I can go ahead and click on publish and publish to finally publish my work. Awesome. So that's it on how to set word count for WordPress posts. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future videos. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next video.